Alright guys, we are here. We're doing the lights on my 1997 Dodge Ram 1500. This is probably the same for most of the Dodge Rams, so let's get into it. Alright, so we've got the reverse lights here. Those are brand new. I got them on Amazon, and these are the housings. I believe I got these on eBay or Amazon, I'm not quite sure, but they're new LED ones, and these guys go right in here for the reverse light. So all you'll need is obviously your lights, your housings. You'll need a pair of gloves, a T25 bit, just one of these star guys, and then you'll need your drill, or you can use a ratchet with a Torx head as well. We're gonna be replacing these old crusty guys. Alright, so we're gonna just get in here real quick, pop that in there, undo it. And then grab it on top and bottom. You should be able to just get it. And there's two. You're gonna really have to pull it, but it'll come out, and then these just turn up. It says here, always glove up. Then you're going to take this off and this off, and you're going to place it back in, right back where it came from. You just slide it in like that, and really push on it, and then put that screw into place. Doesn't need to be too tight. You don't want to strip it out.